Next up we have block number 37, and it's called Bits and Pieces. So to make bits and pieces, I'm going to take you down to the boards and show you the fabric we're using. For bits and pieces, we're going to use D6, which is the gold, D10 is the gray, and then our background. So we're doing strip piecing with the two strips, the white and the gold, and then we're making 5 diamond in a square out of the little pieces and the background. So I'm going to mark all of the little squares corner to corner with the diagonal mark, and then I'm going to set them up to do strip piecing, and then we'll do that on time-lapse and get those done for you. So I'll be back in a little bit. All of our diamond and the squares are done and trimmed, and the next step is to sew together our strip piece. So we're going to take those, put them right sides together, and sew a 1/4 inch seam. And I'm going to press this open and subcut it into 4 pieces like the pattern directs me to do at the size it directs me to press them. And then I'm going to come back and we'll put the block together. We're all subcut and ready to put the block together. We'll start with the center, and we're going to do put one on each corner. Then we're going to start on our right, white is up, top, color to the right, white down, and color to the left. So they're just opposites. Okay. I'm going to put you on time lapse and we're going to put the block together. There we have it. Block 37, bricks and pieces. We'll see you in the next one. Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to say, be blessed, less stressed, and pet some fabric today. See you later.